My name is Michaela.
Belle.
Shamil.
Kim.
Monica.
Victoria.
So my name's Alyssa and my experience was really good. I'm really surprised at what I've learned in the past 2 weeks.
I would say it was more than I could ever ask for. It was everything.
Jade and Cassie made me realize I'm so much better than what I actually think. So I'm confident to go out there.
I've gained a lot of confidence because when I started, I didn't know anything about acrylics or nails in general.
I was really nervous about using the drill and then seeing how it was done. And then with the guidance of Cassie and Jade, I just feel a lot more confident with it now.
I learned about nail selfie, social media, the importance of getting a following that's local to you.
They are very, very helpful. Like, they will watch you like a hawk when you're doing pracs.
If there's something I'm bad at, like they'll be like, you know, and they'll explain what I'm doing wrong and how to fix that.
They made you feel like you're a part of CJ's. I think the kit that they give us is pretty awesome. After this course, you can just already start doing acrylic nails. You already have everything there.
I think I've gained a great amount of confidence. I learned that we're not everyone's like each other's competition and that we're a community, basically there to help each other out.
I've noticed things that I wouldn't have, like if I was to learn by myself through YouTube or like some online tutorial.
You'll gain a lot of things doing nails, but also the business side of things as well, and the social media side too.
Honestly, like they're the best team.
Confidence and not doubting myself and being more confident.
11 out of 10 recommend. If you want to get into nails, please take the course. I mean, look at their work. Like, there's not much explaining to do.
I'm really sad that it's over. I'm gonna miss it, but I've definitely gained a lot of confidence and I'm ready to go out there and nail it.